Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Sun and Moon on your iOS device. First, understand that this involves emulation, which means running software designed for one system, like the Nintendo 3DS, on another, such as your iPhone or iPad. You will need to acquire an emulator application and the game files, known as ROMs. It is important to ensure your iOS device has sufficient processing power and memory for a good experience. Choosing the right emulator is a crucial step. There are a few emulators available that can run Nintendo 3DS games on iOS, such as Delta or Provenance. These applications are typically installed through a process called sideloading, as they are not usually found on the official App Store. Take some time to research different options, considering their features, ease of use, and how well they perform on your specific iOS model. Next, you will need the game files, or ROM, for Pokémon Sun and Moon. These are digital versions of the game data. The most ethical and legal way to obtain ROMs is by dumping them from your own physical game cartridges using specialized hardware. Once you have your ROM files, you will need to transfer them to your iOS device. This can often be done conveniently through cloud storage services or direct file transfer methods. With your emulator chosen and ROMs ready, the final steps involve installation and setup. Install the emulator application onto your iOS device, following the specific sideloading instructions for your chosen app. Once installed, open the emulator and import your Pokémon Sun or Moon ROM file. You can then adjust settings like on-screen controls, graphics quality, and audio to optimize your gameplay experience. Now, you are ready to embark on your Pokémon adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.